Hi there, small business owner. I have a marketing strategy for you which will get you more visitors to your website and more qualified visitors actually to your website as well. Because Google practically owns our businesses nowadays, all eyes are in Google. Every prospective customer just about will go to Google, search you, find you through Google in some way, shape or form. So Google works out if you are a legitimate business worthy of showing to people searching, and one of those ways is your Google reviews, or are your Google reviews. How many Google reviews? Not just one, but a good milestone for any small business is get to 20 Google reviews to show credibility. The more your Google reviews mention, here's a sneaky little ninja tip for you, the more your reviews mention keywords that you want to rank for in search results, the more you will show up. And your replies to those Google reviews should include keywords as well that you would like to rank for. Like if you want to rank for best chiropractor Sydney, for example, if the Google review says it, you'll have more chance of ranking for that term and your replies say it. And the more reviews you get, the higher you'll start to rank, because Google is seeing that you're legitimate, wants to show legitimate businesses to legitimate searchers. So there you go. We'd love to assist you with growing your business, growing your brand, getting more customers. That's what we do, and we've been doing for a very long time here at Basic Bananas. Check out basicbananas.com to learn more.